Let's learn time expressions in Arabic. الحين now, بعد شوي later, بكرة tomorrow, اليوم today, أمس yesterday, بدري early, متأخر late, متى when, قبل before, بعد after. Time expressions in Arabic: morning صباح, afternoon بعد ظهر, evening مساء, night ليل, now الحين, later بعدين, yesterday أمس, today اليوم, tomorrow بكرة, week أسبوع. I'll teach you 10 words which you must know. هلا, hi, نعم, yes, لا, no, أيوة, yes, informal, صح, right, زين, fine, شو, what, كم, how much, ليش, why, والله, really. Now we'll learn basic greetings in Arabic. Hello, مرحبا, أهلا, welcome, good morning, صباح الخير, good evening, مساء الخير, hi, هلا, you are welcome, يا هلا, how are you, كيف حالك, I'm good, أنا بخير, how are you, شلونك, I'm fine, الحمد لله, good, زين, perfect, تمام, all good, ماشي, goodbye, مع السلامة. Was it easy? Write in the comment. Now we'll learn basic directions. Near, قريب, far, بعيد, first, أول, last, آخر, right, يمين, left, يسار, straight, سيدة, above, فوق, below, تحت, beside, جنب, center, في الوسط, inside, داخل, outside, برا, behind, ورا, in front of, أمام, opposite, قبل. Arabic language is so easy. Now we will learn vegetables in Arabic. Cucumber, خيار. خيار you can call a person as well. Tomato, طماطم. Onion, بصل. Potato, batata. Bell pepper, فلفل. Cauliflower, زهرة. Broccoli, broccoli. Spinach, سبانخ. Coriander, خبزرة. Carrot, جزر. Zucchini, كوسة. Eggplant, badinjan. Green beans, fasulya. Garlic, thum. Cabbage, malfouf. Write in the comment which is your favorite vegetable. In just 1 minute, I'll teach you how to count from 0 to 100, and it's so easy. Watch till the end. So only we need to learn is how to count from 1 to 10. صفر, واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة, عشرة. To learn decades, you just need to add in. For example, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And now, for example, to say 25, you should say 520. If you want to say 35, you say 530, which is 25, 35, 45. Or if you want to say 53, you say 53. If you want to say 69, you say 69. Was it easy? Subscribe and like the video. I hope they will like this video. Isn't it? مع السلامة.